Good morning, guys. Just want to show some new stuff that we've added to CLIPitc. So first off, we've changed the way that the lead map works. So now when you search for a location on the map, basically where you're planning on adding a customer, it still works the same way here. You've still got the filter with jobs and customers. You've still got map options to show satellite and traffic. But what's changed is when you click on the add lead, you set up the name, set the address, select the jobs that you want to include in the estimate. Oops. Set the price and the crew. And then click the Create Lead and Estimate from Checked. Now this is what's new, so this will create an estimate from the jobs that I selected. From here, I can either email or print this estimate out. Now we also added some options for your estimates. So you've got a standard template. That's the default option for the email that goes out with the estimate, but you can create different ones now. So if you want to change it up for your mulching estimate or your lawn service estimate, you can do that. To create a new template, you would go to Customers, Marketing Emails, click on Estimate Emails. Then you can select the template that you want to edit or add a new template. So we'll add a new one. Give it a name. We'll call this Contract Jobs Lawn Service. You can send a sample email to yourself just to see how it looks. And then we'll put in some text. So we can add these fields in. We'll add a estimate link. And then save it. So now if I go back to that customer, I can click the Estimates button. Then I can click on Option and choose that template for this estimate. I've also got options to hide materials and hide individual charges. So if I hide individual charges, it won't show the job charges for the jobs, it'll just show the totals for the customer. I can also hide the unit cost from the customer, so that way they don't see what my cost for materials is. They just see the price. Or hide the material altogether. Another thing that we added was the ability to use the bill type in custom reports. So now if you want to create a report just based on the bill type, you can do that. So if I edit this report, then I have the ability to add the job bill type and also create conditions based on the bill type. So I can just see my including contract type jobs, charge per jobs, charge per hour, or prepaid jobs. So I've got customer account number, bill type, name, and next visit on there. Now if I view the report, I'll see just the ones that are charged per job. That's it. I hope you guys have a great week.